In this video, I will show you how to create and share a make a copy link for a Google Sheets file. This is the file that we want to share with our colleagues. This is the template we've created. So the first step is to change the sharing permission. We're changing it to anyone in our organization. You can leave it on viewer, that's perfectly fine. Copy the link, close this out, head over into a new tab and simply paste the link. Now here's the crucial part. After the slash, you need to swap this for copy. Hit the enter, and this is what people will see. And check out the warning. The attached app script file and functionality will also be copied. This is awesome because we have a nice little cleanup automation script that we created. By the way, I will be linking the video to that tutorial right about now. Check out up above on the screen. So that will be copied, meaning this is an awesome template including automations. Let's copy that. Let's head over here into our email that we've already created, and we want the people to be able to click here on link. So just go ahead and add a link like so, paste it in here, and there you go. And you know what? I'm going to send this to Adam just to test this. So off you go, dear email. Let's have a look at Adam's view of the situation. Adam received this email, he clicks on it, he clicks on the link. As a matter of fact, it's also down here. Let's click on this link here, and automatically he's brought to make a copy of it. This will be saved to the top level of Adam's My Drive, and he can move it from wherever he wants. So let's see if the automation script still runs. So I'm going to click on done here, and in a couple of seconds we should see a custom menu appearing called cleanup. There you go, cleanup, hide row. Now, since it's the first time that Adam is executing this script, he needs to grant it access to his Google Sheets. So click on his account, allow, and this always halts the execution, so we have to run it one more time. There you go, automation script running, template working. What else would you want? Learn something new? Then leave us a like. And how about you subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of our upcoming video tutorials about Google Sheets, Google Apps Script, Gmail, and so on.